Hey guys, we are going to be doing early bird, guys. So I'm going to show you guys me getting it. Okay, guys. So yeah, I'm just going to talk a little bit and then I'm going to cut to it. Okay. So as you can see, I have got my computer. Guys, I need to find something to sell. Okay, guys, what you know? It's not here anyway, so I guess that. But guys, hopefully I get a rainbow one and I get a rainbow e-sock just like my brother. Or if it's not, I get one of these. If it's not rainbow, I just keep getting one of these. Like one of these, guys. Yeah, guys. That's 1 minute, guys. 1 more minute until he spawns early bird, guys. Guys, I'm also going to make a video of me doing the event, okay, guys? So, like and subscribe, guys. You can do it. You can do it, guys. There's no problem with you guys doing it. Just smash that button, guys. Smash it instantly, guys. Just smash it, guys. He should be spawning it in a few, maybe 30 seconds, maybe. Okay, guys. He should be spawning it right now, but it just turned cursed, and it's 2, so you guys, it's, yeah, guys. So I'm gonna see what I get out of this. If I get a cursed lucky block, guys, I'm gonna be insane. So happy. Okay, guys, give me some luck. Okay. You guys did not like. Guys, you gotta like and subscribe, guys. Okay, just spawn it, bro. I'm gonna just cut it, guys, until he spawns it. Guys, he's not spawning it. He's not spawning it, guys. My computer just died, so that's why I'm on my iPad now, guys. So, okay, guys, I didn't get the early bird on clip, but he put on 10 times luck. I got a secret lucky block, a catcheroo and musteroo from 10 times luck, and I traded my brother that catcheroo and musteroo for this 180 million e-sock, guys. Put your name in the in comments. And if you want to trade me for this 180 million e-sock, just get us to 50 subscribers, guys. Just get us to 50 subscribers. Subscribe.